Hey guys, I'm the Fidget Mom, Teresa.
Wait a minute, I'm Talia.
Okay, and Talia. We're going to do a fidget haul from Five Below. So we had purchased a few fidgets, and we just wanted to show you guys really quickly. This one was a tree poppet. We're going to do a couple of these. You might hear a little bit of buzzing in the background because my husband is cutting my son's hair. And yeah, but he's doing really well. I'll put a few clips in of him. He has his fidget and he is fine. He's really like 2 years old.
Hey, I want to try it.
Okay. Fine.
Ooh.
And this is a Star Sensory pen art. Oh my goodness. I am not a fan of pen art fidgets.
I am a fan of pen art.
Talia is, but I'm not.
I love them. I have.
Be careful with the book.
Oops, sorry. I went over to the she went on me by It's okay. I'm good with that much.
I like it. It's cute. But I think one of the pins are messing up.
Gone.
One of the pins are messed up. It's like stuck in there. So, much for that. Can I make
What?
What is this paper here? Like, okay, it comes out.
I thought I was supposed to say that. I thought.
Okay. Bam. Okay.
Okay, let me.
Whatever. How
do my hand fits here?
And I do have the sensory, the palm, the snapper. The snapper. This one is really soft though. It's like, you see how it misses? Like, I would say a 5 out of 10. Because you can like squeeze it and then it reminds me of the bass, like. What's that? Huh? What's that thing called?
Hard crack?
That's what this reminds me of.
I give this a.
It's a
8
band.
out of 10. 8.
Yeah. 8 out of 10. Girl, you're from the South. No offense to anyone that has an accent of the South. I love that accent. But where did it come from? Did you hear her? We finally got a Ryan's fidget. So
Yeah, I'm excited. But
usually we do not. I'm so sorry, Ryan. But the last one that we got, one of his squishies, it was a disaster. So we just never gotten another one. Can you please open that? Because I clearly cannot. Bam. Get that baby out.
All right.
Oh,
it's pretty good. It's really good. The eyes are
weird.
So
Oh, that's kind of cool.
The water timer.
And the water timer from Five Below. Which I'm excited. But it's so fat. Like, why is it so big?
But I like the ones like that. I love the feeling.
It's like little beads falling down.
It's cool.
It is cool, but it's just a little different.
I like this one.
Can you just stare at this all day? Okay. Moving on. So we do. Oh, and I do have red slime liquors.
Oh, the strawberry.
Yes.
This is the best.
So we have to do. These are fidgets that we've had for quite some time.
Finally.
That we have not opened up yet from Five Below, and I'm so sorry. I have to open these up now.
I want to open it.
And it's quite a bit. So we have mesh balls. We have these pop kids, which are not my favorites.
Oh, they're my favorite.
Not my favorite.
Spin.
Okay.
Spin.
These are light up glitter balls.
It used to spin. What happened to its spin?
Doesn't want to spin anymore.
Spin.
So, at the same time, light up glitter balls. Ah! Oh, something fell out of it? What? No.
I heard it.
That is not good.
Wait,
Here it is, right here. Okay.
Ew.
It's just from the paper.
You have to have a lot of things.
And this one is
Wait, it isn't lighting up.
no. You gotta, oh, it's gonna break the table. My
I
gracious.
had to do it.
And this one is not a light up. This is the regular mesh ball,
Oh, that's my favorite. We already have that.
which we do have.
But it's always good to have another.
But I'm addicted. Sorry, I'm a fidgetaholic. Okay, these are last.
Mom.
Okay, let's do these. These are glitter.
Glitter monkey noodle.
Glitter, but they call them bungee bands at Five Below. But they're really cool though. I like
My
them.
arms all the way.
I feel like I'm gonna pop it and
They feel like they're so stretchy that I won't pop it.
These look like worms. Look at
These
that.
are so stretchy.
Walito,
I'm
you okay?
Watch this.
Would you like one?
Which one?
So we have another Christmas
Poppet.
puppets, which is an elf
Oh.
in a tree. Like a 2-in-1 because they could have made these like a 2, like one little tree and one elf. So thank you for that. Thank you for that, Five Below. Cool idea. I love that. Oh man, I already bought a tree. I didn't even realize
I
that.
didn't realize what was better.
What the world?
Yeah, I think you'll see it be like,
Womp,
would want
womp,
this. Okay, when I feel a fabulous like dimples, they kind of feel like they're gonna break too.
This is kind of nice.
They kind of feel like they're gonna break.
It does feel like it's going to break, but it is kind of nice.
Oh, that was cool.
It just kind of feels. If you have small hands, you won't be able to do this.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Here, feel
Sorry
like
for the small hands, people. That was rude.
I want to feel this. They have bigger pops on.
So
Pink and red is really good.
we have glow twisty tubes.
Did you just see? Look.
It broke. You did that on purpose. Did she do that on purpose?
I didn't. I promise. Oopsies. I just it is strength and what is this? It's too small. Strength
It's really
and-
light. Twist and twist. I mean, twist and twist. Stretch and twist. Twist and twist. Stretch and
I
twist.
couldn't read that. Okay.
They said stretch and twist. Oh, these are really cheap.
Okay, and then huh? I can't read that.
It's really light. Like, you can barely see it. But that's for ASMR.
Alright, let's see how cute they are again.
Well, these are, I think, better than the other ones. The first ones that they made, these are definitely better. Well, let's see. We gotta close them up first. Okay.
I won.
They have gotten better.
Wait. Christmas tree poppet race.
Christmas tree poppet race. What? I got a wish on a star.
I have all of this stuff.
Okay, they can't see this. Let's see.
Sorry. Look, she put all these figures over here, but that's good.
Come on, let's go.
Okay,
You wanna
3.
talk the talk? Can you walk the walk, kid? Can you walk the walk?
Hands down.
Hands down. Poppet race. 1, 2, 3.
Go.
This is a bad puppet.
This is really.
Oh my gosh. This is horrible.
You could lift it up, Mom. I'm done.
Oh, she's a cheater. She cheated, guys. She cheated, didn't she?
No.
You guys seen it for yourselves.
Okay, good side.
Did you have yours on the good side the whole time?
No.
She did.
You can lift it up.
I want a rematch.
On the good side this time.
Let's
3
go.
fingers, because you always take 4 of one.
Well, they don't pop. They don't go in.
I'll let you.
Come on, let's go.
3, 2, 1, go.
That's better.
1 done. 1 done. 1 done.
Oh my gosh! She cheated. I don't care what you guys say. She cheated. She cheated. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe.
Yes, and follow and share and just do
She
everything.
cheated. She cheated. You can check out her YouTube. She has one as well. I'll
It's right here.
link it in the comments. In there.
In the comments, yeah.
And there
It's right here.
no more pop tubes for her. Because she keeps cheating. She cheats. She cheats. That's it. She cheats. Oh, this is too short to be a necklace. I need another necklace.
Mom, it's not pulled all the way.
It's still too short.
It is.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget
To like, comment, and share.
subscribe.
And subscribe.
So funny.
Like,
It's my strong.
like,
Can you drink out of this big one?
like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah.
And give us a big thumbs up.
Yes, and the big thumbs up.
Bye.
Bye. It's broken.
It's broken. Talia, why would you do that?